Okay, so we're starting now onto the main trusses. Get it on its layout marks here. Okay, there it is on the exterior wall. Now, slide it out onto that girder. Truss is designed to sit on this girder out here. Oops. Go to the exterior. Oops. Okay, and so on. Okay, so we got to get these two trusses on top of that there pile. So, make this mess. Pretty light actually. Okay, that went good. Okay, so we'll plumb these, square these all up with each other. I guess we'll call that flush them up. Okay, so I measured up from the bottom for my ladders or lookouts. I'm going to go down from the top of the peak, 18 3/4. 18 3/4. X to the front. One foot 6 3/4. 3 foot 6 3/4. 5 foot 6 3/4. 7 foot 6 3/4. 9 foot 6 3/4. 11 foot 6 3/4, and so on. So just get a kick ready. One more piece of drywall backing here. Go right to the corner. Punch this on here. Okay, let's stand this guy. Ooh. Just forgot to pick up my feet. And I see I'm going to be low on staples, so might want to find those staples. Come on, they're here. I swore I had a couple shots. Okay, time out. Yep, turns out I had some. They were hiding on me. However, they stayed right where I left them. Right here. Careful, I'm gonna drop one here. Okay, let's stand this partay, otherwise known as a gable. Okay, I understand. Bottom up and on the 2x6. This is where the kicks come in very, very, very handy. Okay, let's just stand it. So much fun standing it. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Should not have done that. And the reason why you need to stay. If you go down, I'm in trouble. The reason I didn't want that in is there's more friction when it falls in this slot. Oh hey. Whoop. This is becoming a lot of fun all of a sudden. Easy now, Win. Okay. We're going to staple that 1 inch on the bottom. Oh, that's going to stiffen things up, I'll tell you. Kind of wishing that I had gotten a it's not gonna fall. Got to get it out of my head here. Okay, a couple staples here. Okay, now we will grab a piece of plywood I got here to extend this exterior wall up. So I want factory edge to factory edge now. So I'm actually never thought about that when I cut this piece. So the waxy side will in fact be out. Okay, now I'll come here. I'm going to go 3/8 of an inch too far. Okay, so that's good and steady on this side. That side needs a brace, and I see one. Hopefully I don't destroy it too bad. This no longer needs to be holding this party. Come on, be good to me. Come on. Come on out. Ow! That was my finger again. Okay, just a couple 2-inch. Okay, Dan. What's going on? All right. Now I will jump and staple the whole bottom of that gable from outside on the garage roof. And I realized I forgot to do the back side. So I'll probably do that too.